In this video, I would like to talk about Tesla BMS A129 alert. You may get alert BMS A129 or W129 or F129. You will get W129 and F129 alerts on model S and X, which were produced in between 2012 and 2020. So what is this alert? So this alert indicate that BMS battery management system has detected an issue with VH. So what is VHS? VHS is voltage sense harness, and whenever BMS detect any issue with that, it will trigger 129 alert, and you may get this alert together with 107 or 177. You may get this alert. So this is one of most common alert code on particular models produced in particular years. So in case if you get this alert or any other Tesla alert, please feel free to contact us. We provide remote diagnosis and support to clear Tesla alerts. So there could be a couple of reasons for these issues, and with the help of diagnosis, we can tell you how to fix or how to clear this alert. Our remote diagnosis also provide support, or our remote diagnosis will give you exact cause of this alert and which particular component part could be faulty. So it's easy to fix it. You don't need to spend a lot of hours to diagnose, to find it out the root cause of the issue. So here you could find some little bit information about this alert. So in case if you need support to clear any Tesla alert, please feel free to contact us. You could visit our website, which is a carrepairservice.com, or you could just write us on WhatsApp. And here is our WhatsApp number, and we will be happy to provide you support. We are looking forward to help you. Thank you so much.